abeji bakizoba senior secondary school abahindire emishomo yabo na munonga ekwatirine n'eby'emyuga bakebirwe kandi baramburwa abahango kuruga omu directorate industry training y'ibinjo kumanga DIT abantu babebembiremo okubegesa bikwati n'eby'emikono. At
DIT we promote employable skills. I'm now sure you're ready, you're very well equipped, you're very skilled to employ yourselves or get employed successfully in somebody's enterprise.
Parents who are here, you yourself to find that you are one of the parents of Chizova girls. It is by the grace of God.
Kandi itendekero rya Bishop Stewart University abantu bebembiremo amashomo agakwatirine n'ebyakanyabwenje.
This is not the end of it all. This is just the beginning.
I say, Bishop Stewart, it was not a one-off. But I'm so happy. I saw the young ladies in gowns and I was thrilled in this milestone. Thank you for being our group partners.
School has progressively developed both qualitatively and quantitatively. Remember, I'm going with these words comparing what it was then.
Omukorogo gwiciro abahangu batarimo na bamwe na munonga cyaye kombi kwatirine no kutungura ibyo bwegese kandi bona bahendire emishomo yabo bahereze emyaka yari hagati y'ebiri n'eshatu. Twaza omu district ya Mitoma okwabayo na munonga beji babashabire okumanya kibarukwenda omunseji ebi n'ebindi bigambirirwe ayishomero ya Senua Senior Secondary School Mutara aha mukoro go kurongora abeji abarukoraje ahi bamwe bagenze n'ebicyonke bitarimo na bimwe muri obutabo ebicumu n'ebindi bintu.
You need to set a career goal. Number one, you need to know that who do I want to be in the future after university.
To encouraging kugira ngo abantu bona aho kuba washomire ninga shabo kuba warabire kore wafunde mu kirungi then iki kirungi ushime kusharinga na nabantu abandi abakuraba umwishomerero.
A lot, and that is what we all want to, so you can cling on that and it will help you achieve what we want.
Bakuru bishomero bonje bakoso mu gishugo okusima abaye bari abeji omwanya ogo obutabebwa kandi bonje kubasima abo kubatamamana.
Abana bagira moraro bagaruka mu amani kuba kureba nka old students shomero yo mu cyaro konka bareba old students bine capacity yo kugaruka ekabengeginga abana bafuna moraro
kind of motivation nibahereza umwete abana abandi abakwani bashomeramo aho kandi babareberaho
arasti abakaba baryaha kandi tekateka ngo okushomesa bwoko ningashi okorekwa impande y'ibakubasa kurabamo no kutamamano mbyo kushoma ntiza kubongerera kutamamani.
Ebyona bihendire ishomero barukorehereza whiteboards ngo abana obunubwire okurekeraho kwitwa omucucu gwa choka.